Hi guys, welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new, hi, this is Anshu. I create content around beauty. So if you are interested in such videos, please do not forget to subscribe. I create content around makeup, fashion, skincare, hair care, and Project Pan, all that amazing stuff. And my niche is drugstore. I love drugstore makeup, so you will get definitely good recommendations under like 400, 500, 300. So if you are interested in such videos, please do not forget to subscribe, like this video, share my videos with your friends and families. Now without further ado, let's get into the video. Okay, so I am doing this series on my channel where I am ranking all of my makeup, like I'm ranking it like top 5. So I'm just giving you like my top 5 products in like makeup category. You can pick one or two for yourself. Honestly, if I was not on YouTube, I would also have one or two, like that's it. But since I'm here, I have like a multiple of products, so I thought let me just give you like my top 5 under every category. And today we are catering to powders, and I have dry skin, yes, but since I shoot in like without fan, without ventilation, and in even someone like me who have dry skin, in summers I get a lot of sweat, so I have like quite a few of powders, and I love to apply them, but I don't apply them without makeup. Whenever I'm applying concealer or foundation, then only I apply them. On bare face they look very bad on me, honestly. So if you also have dry skin and you want to apply powder, so this video will be helpful. And I have ranked them and written on my notebook. So if you are like, why she is looking down, I am just looking the ranking. I just have ranking. I don't have uh like the entire script. Like nobody needs a script for, I think I don't need. So without further ado, let's get into the video. First of all, if I don't like something, I just declutter it. I don't keep makeup for just like showcase. Like I want to use my makeup. So all these are like my favorite. So if it's not like my least favorite also, but it is still my favorite, I hope I'm making any sense. Okay, so the number 5th is Faces Canada This Compact. Now this is their weightless stay matte SPF 20 compact with sheer butter. So which is a yes. Since I have dry skin, I would prefer it. And this comes with this beautiful mirror, and this is the product. So as you can see, this has good amount of yellow undertone, which I like. I don't like when my any of my base product lack that yellowness. So this is the shade. It is a really good shade match. I have to see, it's natural too. So my shade is natural too. It's a good yellow undertone compact. This does not have that much coverage, to be honest, but powders are just to set your face, and they are not here to give you coverage. For that you have to apply foundation, concealer. So yeah, good for setting your makeup. Okay, so the next is loose powder. Now I don't have separate categories. Since I have dry skin, I don't buy like too much of powders. I only buy that much that I can finish. Speaking of that, can you see a dip going here? So this is the Blue Heaven loose powder, and so I cannot find my shade. I will definitely mention the shade. And this comes with 20 gram of product, which is insane, and I don't remember the price. Let me just check. So I just checked, this is like 125 rupees, but I am sure I got it for 67 rupees or something, because Purple was having like flat 50% off, which is such a great deal. And I'm using it like crazy. I use it almost like whenever I'm doing my makeup. It is such a good loose powder with a good yellow undertone. So this comes with a good puff. Usually they compacts come with really bad puff, but this is so soft. So I have never not thrown this puff. Otherwise I throw the puff, I never use them, but I have kept this one, although I use my brushes. So this is the shade, a good yellow undertone banana powder. So if you want a loose powder, you can check this one out. Okay, so the next is Maybelline Fit Me, and mine, as you can see, the mirror is completely broken off, and whenever I purchase Fit Me, the mirror just break, and I don't know why. So this one, as you can see, has a neutralish undertone, but this does not have a warm undertone. At that time Fit Me was like 4 shades, now they are 9 to 10 shade, I'm guessing. So I will definitely pick up my skin tone, like 213 foundation, I will try to pick up that shade. But the product is really good. Again, you will not get that much coverage, but to set your makeup it is really good. Okay, so the number 2 is Lakme. So the Fit Me one is also 200, Faces one is also 200. Definitely when I will edit, I will put the prices here. So this is the Lakme 925, and look at the packaging, so pretty. I have kept this in my project pan because this is like my tip top favorite when it comes to powder. Again, a neutral undertone powder, but I don't mind that because it does not have that much coverage. The formula is so smooth, this definitely feels luxe. So this is, I think, 450 when I bought this. I don't know what is the prices of this one, I will definitely mention on the screen. This is 450, but I think it's such a good, if you have dry skin, go try this one out. This is so buttery smooth and soft, really like this. Okay, so the first I'm ranking this from low to high. So my tip top favorite, if you ask me, is this Wet n Wild banana powder. Now I was like skeptical, should I keep this because it's like a duo, but I love this so much, I have to. This is, as you can see, a dip. I hope I don't have the best camera. Yeah, from this angle, as you can see, this is a dip. And now stop using this because I don't want to finish this up. This is a beautiful banana powder, so soft to touch, like a butter. And this contour is also good, and this is like 600 or 500. I will definitely mention the price. I got it for 250. So if you want to buy this duo, you can get it. Otherwise you can buy the Lakme one if you want to buy my tip top recommendations. But this is so affordable if you calculate it like that. 250 for a contour and a powder like this. This is such a great powder. I will definitely repurchase this, but I'm not able to even see a dip. Like, I use this every day. I use the bronzer. This is my project pan bronzer, but there is no dip like in the powder. So I'm like, will I buy this just for the powder? Maybe I will, because I love it so much. If I will get a half off, I will definitely buy it. I love it so much, and I will highly recommend you the most smooth, buttery, soft formula for banana powder. And I love this, and it will suit you only if you have a yellow complexion. You can yellow undertone, you can set your face. I set my entire face with that, and it does not look too yellow on me. But if you have like a cooler undertone or a neutral undertone, you can able to set like your concealer with it. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you like this video. If you do not forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, like this video, share my videos with your friends and families, and I shall see you in my next one. Bye.